I've joined.
I joined.
They're good like they're good like 50 kill streak, bro.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Yeah, boys.
Yo, let's go.
Fuck. Wait, what's my name? I'm in this cabinet blocking. What's my
The
name?
Death Squad.
Hey, what's my name, bro? I'm in this cabinet.
You are Sierra. This guy is Delta.
Your name is Echo? Okay.
Nice.
What am I?
You're Gamma.
Gamma.
Let's go.
And then there's Delta, Echo,
Let's get him, boys!
Sierra 5. We advise hostiles arriving into the location. That shit is still stuck in my head.
Get that fucking stinking woman!
When admin joins, you see that squad shift, you panic.
Hey, you wanna get there on
invited.
top of the hill? Hey, you wanna go there on top of the hill?
Yeah. Let's go. Come on, guys.
Hey, man.
Who's this
Oh,
guy?
don't
Who's
shoot
on the
that
field
man.
right now?
That's
Sierra,
Mac, that's
get
Mac.
back!
Bro.
Sierra, I go to the hill, man, come on.
Go to the hill, go to the hill. King of this hill.
Well, actually, fuck this.
Go to the hill, dumbass, come on! Go to the hill, go to the hill!
Go to the hill, go to the hill, go top of the hill. No.
Alright, let's go to the hill, I don't care about Sierra anymore. Okay, go, come
As soon as we
on.
run out of ammo, just go to the mountain. Fuck.
Alright, let's go to the hill, I don't care about Sierra anymore. Okay, go,
As
come
soon as we
on.
run out of ammo, just go to the mountain. Fuck. Why are you guys? We still have ammunition, bro. Just,
Come on, Echo, hurry up.
I'm committing war crimes.
Bug shaker, bug shaker.
Duck shaking.
I am fucking right now.
Alright, go.
King of our hill.
Sierra, don't jump in front of me. Fuck this.
Duck shaker.
I'm gonna protect this man, Agent Sierra.
You need to protect you. Go the fuck to the hill, man. Go to the hill. You go the fuck to the hill.
I got my good friend Gamma.
I'll be fine, bro. Trust me. That's just another question.
I got some traps going
Oh,
on.
this guy has a meta heal. Grab that.
Alright, so once we run out of ammo, we go back to the mountain. That's the plan?
What the fuck did I just float on?
Once we run out of ammo, we go back to the mountain. That's the plan?
What the fuck did I just float on?
God, my ping is like 500. Jesus.
Ran out of ammo? Okay.
When you run, go to the mountain. When you run, go to the mountain. Yeah, sure. Can't speak today. My head is gonna kablam.
Fuck, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Meg, with us or against us? Against us.
Sierra heal. Use meta heal.
Yeah, use the minute.
Sierra. Try to protect you. Fuck.
Oh.
Who's Echo? Echo, heal.
I know, I'm healing. Meg almost fucked me up real badly.
My lord. Almost got ganged up.
Mega message.
Meg. Fuck off, Meg. Bye bye, Meg.
I'm being ganged on. Oh, never mind.
I haven't even used my key injector yet.
That's awesome.
I use it very early for some reason.
The key injector is like a last resort for me.
We got some ammo. Go get the guy. Come on, kill him! Jesus.
Oh my lord.
Fucking 4 guys and one. I could come for like
And I'm
1
literally being
minute.
attacked. Fuck you guys. Meg. Fuck you.
For my kill. Oh my god.
Agent Sierra Hill.
Yeah, I'm healing. Got it.
No V6 Sag.
I have 2 more bullets left in my gun. Here comes Meg again.
Oh no, watch out.
Say hello to the sun.
Oh my god, I'm being ganked on! Help me! Help me!
What's that?
Shit, come on! Oh
Okay,
my
right.
god, that was
Let's
fucking
go
close.
top of the hill.
Why?
Yeah, go. I'm shit.
Where you at? Go,
I'm here. Go. Come on.
Okay.
Freaking look. Oh my god, Meg. Okay, go. I'll cover you.
Right side.
Shit. Okay, go back. Go to the hell now.
Boys.
Climb, Echo. Climb. Come on. Behind you, Echo. Fuck, man. Echo's gonna die.
Ah, bro.
What the fuck? That was retarded. Okay, go. The guy is berserk. Watch out. What the fuck? That was retarded. Okay, go. The guy is berserk. Watch out. Okay, go. Go now. Go. Go. And none of you are in the hell. No!
Oh! Fuck. Oh, fuck it.
Hey, bud.
Come at me.
Okay, Mech slapped me again. Okay, I might skip. You guys have fun. Oh damn. Wait, who died? It was on a rampage, god dang it, Levi. Ever heard of the raid?
Fuck.
It's over.
Ah, shit. I don't care, I'm gonna die like a hero. Fuck you.